You're going to go to Google and search for Band 6 essay. Click on and go to IELTSBuddy.com because it allows the users to copy its essays. Imagine this is your essay, okay? And you want to get, I want to keep you in suspense and I won't tell you what I'm going to do. So we're going to copy this thing and go to Telegram and search for OpenAI. As you can see, we only have 3 results here, and these are the best of the best. I've tried other bots, but they're not like these. And go to ChatGPT OpenAI bot, start the bot. You can read about the bot here by clicking this, and you can read the notes. Here it's saying try to be descriptive when you're writing stuff, okay? Try to be specific. That's what it's saying. So we're going to put the essay here in the input field and format it a little bit and add topic essay. Now, the most important part comes right here. What do you want to do with this? Let me just type it out for you. On a scale of 1 to 9, give this essay a band score. There you go. So you should be as specific as this, okay? Look how long this is. It's like 4 lines, 3 lines of text. There might be, I don't know, 30 plus words in it. Very specific. Now, it's time to see the magic. Boom. You'll have to wait a little because it takes time for the bot to process the information and to give you what you want. Boom, there you go. Your band score, it says 6.5, right? But if you go to the website, it says 6. So it's pretty close, but yeah, not really there yet because it's just a bot, remember? But still, it's much better than having nothing, right? You can get as you can see, you can get your essays checked for free and you can get feedback. It says, the essay does address both sides of the argument, but does not provide a clear opinion, blah, 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 right? Look, to improve this essay to a band 8, the writer should provide a clear opinion in the introduction and conclusion. It's telling you what to do to improve it to a band 8. Can you imagine how cool this is? To improve this, let's read grammatical range and accuracy. To improve this essay to a band 8, the writer should pay more attention to accuracy and use more complex structures. Boom, there you go. The first thing you can do with this bot is you can get your essays checked, you can get feedback on the essay, and you can also learn how you can improve it to take it to the next level. Now, what else can it do? It can also show you the mistakes you have made, okay? So we're gonna copy the essay only this time. We want to find out our mistakes and get them corrected. Let's paste the essay and can they be corrected? Go. Oh, by the way, here, while it's doing its stuff, let me tell you something. It doesn't always give you the right answer, okay? The score might be a little bit different. You can take the same essay and resend it. Next time you may get a 7 or a 6 because it's not complete yet. There you go. So grammar, something that people who work into blah. So it's taking your essay and correcting it. All right, let's try the same thing with another bot to see what result we'll get. So we'll go to OpenAI and Evolve AI. Paste it in, but here you can't just send it the same text. You will have to add the keyword, which is ask, okay? So /ask and hit send. By the way, here you can see I've sent this bot an essay and I got this, look. This is cool, isn't it? It's very detailed. No changes suggested, although in some countries... Oh, wait a minute. Better than nothing. Okay, Another thing you can do with this bot is you can get ideas for your essay topic, or you can even get an outline. So let's copy the essay topic. Let's send it and wait for the magic to happen. Wow, amazing outline. Look, you can use this to write your own essay, right? It's better than copying someone else's essay and learning it by heart and trying to reproduce the same thing. Okay, let's try another prompt. There we go. Yeah, so good ideas, right? Evaluate the impact on society and give your own opinion. You can also try. I just came up with this. Let's see what we'll get. This is great. Look at that. This is like gold when you're writing an essay. So you can have examples and you can use these examples with this outline, right? Which is very cool. Now, let's try something else. You can also learn new vocabulary and grammar and generate a story that uses the grammar and vocabulary you're trying to learn. Let me show you how to do that. Give me 10 examples sentences. Wow, look at that. Simple, complex, compound. Amazing. So that's how you can learn grammar, okay? With lots and lots of examples. You can also ask it to correct a sentence and find out what's wrong with it. Correct this. He didn't go home. The verb go should be in the past tense. There you go. It's just a pretty simple example. You can come up with a better prompt to learn something else, right? Not just the past tense. You can also learn more stuff about grammar. Is shall old-fashioned? As you can see, there is a time limit. You can't send request after request. You will have to wait 1 minute between messages, between requests. Shall is an old-fashioned word. It's often used in formal writing and is still used in legal documents. Yeah, and I wonder why some people keep using it. Okay, so you can also learn topic-related vocabulary by using the following prompt. This is your topic, essay topic, and you want to learn 10 new words before you start writing your essay, right? You can just use this prompt and hit enter. Come on. Oh, there we go. Now here, with this prompt, we are not being that specific. We are just asking for 10 words and it just gave us this, right? Consumption, shopping, advertising, blah, blah, blah. But we can make it even more specific to get even better results, right? Give me a 10 vocabulary list. Oh, that's even better. More specific. Boom. Purchase, acquisition, expenditure, consumption, merchandise, goods, retail, market, brand, commodity. Excelente, isn't it? Now you can do even more. You can learn these words more deeply by using a story, and you can use the bot to write the story for you, okay? Let me show you how. Use the following list of words. Wow, excellent. So John had been studying for the IELTS test for months and he was determined to get a band 9. He had already spent a lot of money on the purchase of books. Is there purchase here? Yeah, purchase of books, materials and other merchandise. Excellent. To help him prepare. He'd almost made a considerable expenditure is here, as you can see, on private tutoring. He was now looking for the best brand of practice. Best brand of practice test to acquire. He had heard that the market is there. Yeah, market is there. Market for these commodities was quite competitive. Yeah, competitive. Where is oh no, it's not here. No problem. So he was looking for the best retail option. He was confident that with the right goods, he would be able to get the score he wanted. Commodity market. Yes, it used all the words to write. This is amazing, isn't it? And it took it how much? Not even a minute to write the story. It's not really interesting. The story isn't interesting because I told the ChatGPT, I told the bot to make it short, right? 100 words. But you can change it to 300 or 1,000 words. Then it can make something really, really good, okay? Yeah, so you get the idea, right? You can do whatever you want with it as long as you are specific. Okay, now this was the fourth thing you can do with this bot, but there is more. You can make quizzes and tests on the vocabulary and grammar you have learned to test yourself, okay? Here's how you do it. Do your magic. Don't keep me waiting, I get angry. All right, there you go, multiple choice. What is the process of buying goods or services? Excelente. What is the term for items that are bought and sold? Great, there you go. Ooh, this is really cool for teachers. They can just use this bot and make lots and lots and lots of tests for their students. And this is not all. The last but not least, you can ask it to make you a study plan, which is crazy. Let's try that. You will have to give the details about yourself before asking for a study plan, so that can take that into consideration and give you something more specific rather than something very general. Let's send it and see what it can do. Wow, are you kidding me? This is crazy. Focus on improving your grammar and vocabulary, improving your writing style, time management, structure, grammar, time management. You can come up with a better prompt than this, okay? As a result, you can get a better result. If you're preparing for the exam, make sure you try this bot. It will help you a lot. I think I'll make the next video about using this bot to prepare for the speaking portion of the exam. Make sure you like the video if you like it and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a great day.